clap and point to big and small sizes all around. Let's call. Grandpa is big, tall and strong. Mom is small, loves you all day. Baby very small, tiny and sweet. Dad big, gives hugs so neat. Apple is small, oh see it there. Watermelon, big to share. Grape is very small, so tiny. Mango small, juicy and fine. Truck is big, it rolls so loud. Car is small, it zips around. Bike very small, pedals to go. Scooter small, fun on the road. Pumpkin is big, round and wide. Carrot is small, orange inside. Pea is very small, green and neat. Broccoli small, like a tiny tree. Bowl is big, holds lots of food. Cup is small for juice or tea. And a mug very small, fits in your hand. A plate big for dinner so grand. A spoon is small to scoop your meal. A fork is very small, prong so real. A knife small, cuts fruit with care. A ladle big serves soup to share. Grandpa is big, tall and strong. Mom is small, loves you all day. Baby very small, tiny and sweet. Dad big, gives hugs so neat. Elephant is big with a long trunk. Dog is small, barks and runs fast. Cat very small, purrs in your lap. Horse big, gallops in the grass.